Hi, this is a presentation to demonstrate the value of being part of our occupational therapist directory at SeniorThrive. You can see SeniorThrive is focused on helping older adults stay independent, families stay connected, and for caregivers to stay organized. So everyone can move forward with clarity and confidence. And you'll see here in a moment where occupational therapists come in to further enable older adults and their families to thrive. One of the key areas of our application includes the ability to focus on the home and environmental safety of an older adult. You'll see here that we have pre-selected the core areas of the home, which typically represent the highest risk to older adult. You can also see we have a full menu of rooms throughout the home and outside the home as well. Let's begin by looking at a bathroom. The user is prompted to either upload a photo that they may have on their device. This could be a PC, a Mac, could be your iPhone, could be your tablet. Doesn't matter. Our application works on all those devices. Or they can take a picture. For this scenario, we'll just add a photo. Because we're in the bathroom, we're just going to select one of these bathroom images. And we just click Analyze My Bathroom. You'll see that we're uploading the photo, we're scanning the image. Our ThriveVision AI is going to be assessing the image for potential safety and independence issues. And these safety and independent issues are personalized because based on the user's profile that they must complete before they conduct a room scan, we gain an understanding of the current capabilities. Here we have the analysis that's been complete. You can see that we've divided these up into safety issues, independence barriers, and engagement opportunities. Let's take a look at install grab bars in shower or tub. We present the concern, we present the goal, and then we present recommended actions. Now, what we do is we just don't say that there's a problem. We say, here are the solutions to solve that. So we provide a do-it-yourself guide for those who are able to do things themselves. Installing grab bars is an enormous task, so we always recommend consulting a professional. But the option is there to understand what are the steps that might go into this. The other area we have is products. So we connect to user to buy the products that will help support this effort. So bathroom safety grab bars. The other thing is we provide videos. So helpful videos based on the task that needs to get done. Now, where occupational therapists come in, we know that these options might not be optimal for a user to undertake on their own. So thus we connect to professionals. So we connect to certified aging in place specialists, occupational therapists, and bathroom remodel services that are provided through Thumbtack. Now, currently, right now, we are just clicking and finding on Google a local occupational therapist near me. So we're using the user's IP address to determine where the user is. Now, you'll see is that there's not a real distinct way to find a specific occupational therapist. And what we're looking to offer here is a listing to occupational therapists who serve the area in which the older adult lives. And this is your opportunity to become part of this directory, to be able to be accessible to older adults and their families and their caregivers where you are needed. And you can see when you join our directory, you're coming into a home with the understanding of possible areas that need to be improved, possible health conditions that need to be addressed, possible independence issues, and opportunities for the older adults to do better. Our goal is to connect you with those older adults. We don't charge you for that. We want you to help people. Now, you can learn more when you go to SeniorThrive.com/OT-campaign. You can see a walkthrough of our program. Yeah, there's no charge for you to participate. When you visit this page, you can get a clear walkthrough of our program from Eden, our presentation specialist. It's free. It's interactive. It's on your own time. Eden is an AI agent, so you can ask her questions. And if you need additional answers, you can always reach out to schedule a meeting. Additionally, you can actually just go ahead and join the directory by completing the form on this page, SeniorThrive.com/occupational therapists. It's really simple to get started. You don't pay anything. We're giving you qualified referrals. We're giving you rich assessment data. As you see from the presentation, we're using photos, we're using images, we're using their profile to create very specific action plans. And here, we're always here to support you. You're supporting our mission to help older adults achieve their independence by thriving at home with the families and the caregivers and the expertise that you can help provide. Thank you so much for watching.